Hello everybody, and thanks for watching. Today I want to give a review on the Akaso V50 Pro Native. I bought it off of Amazon for $119, and I would just want to tell you that I would say that this camera is not worth the money that you're putting into it. It comes with a underwater case. It comes with a ton of accessories, 2 batteries that run around 28 minutes apiece. Speakers, it has microphone hookups to it, so it's a really good starter camera. The video quality on this is not that great. The 4K 30 FPS is not all that great. It's really glitchy, and the lighting on it is not that great either. But I do want to say it comes with a watch. The watch is super cheap and flimsy. I never even used it because it just didn't seem to ever really work. One thing that this camera has, which is a deal breaker for me, which is why I decided to do a review on this, is that when you go to hook up to the internet, so the camera has a Wi-Fi feature where you can connect into the Wi-Fi, and then you're supposed to be able to download your videos off of your camera to your phone or something like that. Well, when I started to do that, it keeps freezing. The camera keeps freezing, and it will not let me download my videos onto my phone. It won't even let me get onto the internet or connect into the Wi-Fi. So I reached out to Akaso about 2 weeks ago, sent them an email. They were very fast to respond the first 3 or 4 times, and now I haven't heard back from them, and it's been about 2 weeks, about a week since I haven't heard back from them. So I did want to do a review just to kind of give you guys a if you're curious on it. I would say save your money. For another $200 you can get yourself a GoPro, and I would recommend the GoPro over the Akaso V50 Pro Native at least. It has the wind noise reduction. It has scene mode, so you can change it from a water, riding a bikes, driving, low light, and all that, but it's still not all that great. It would be a very cheap camera to have. So anyways, guys, that's what my 3 cents are for this thing. I would say pass on it and save up for a GoPro. If you want to see more information about these cameras, you can go YouTube it, the Akaso V50 Pro Native. You will be able to see a lot of people testing it out and showing you the quality of it. They don't really put it through very rigorous tests. It's usually they get it brand new out of the box and run it real quick in a vlog, or they don't really put it through the paces. But if you're gonna just have a vlog and talk into it all the time, I would say it might be a pretty good camera to have. But if you want to go outdoors with my fishing channel, or you have another channel that you're outdoors a lot, I would not recommend this camera. So all right guys, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you learned something on this camera. Thank you.